Moto has introduced its flagship smartphone with high-end specs and the highlighted shatterproof display. We have been using this device for over 2 weeks now, and here are our thoughts on it. With that said, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Alright, let's start off with its design. The in-hand feel of the smartphone is pretty good, especially as a rigidity point of view. The box shape of the device without a curved back makes it super slippery, in turn making it a lot sleeker. Overall, we weren't satisfied with the in-hand feel of the smartphone. But yeah, addition of the Turbo Power mod adds a good grip to it. Now onto the display. Moto has made the display with some sort of plastic material to make the display shatterproof, which doesn't come out as clean as the glass display, well, at least for me. The Z2 Force features a 5.5-inch 1440x2560 res QHD AMOLED POLED shatter shield display. We have drop tested the device a handful of times, and yes, it didn't crack but gets scratched easily. Here is the clip of it. There are slight scratches here and there, but no cracks. Good job there, Moto. Now to the performance front. The Z2 Force is powered by Snapdragon 835, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage, which turns to give out a great user experience. Bouncing back and forth between applications and playing games is buttery smooth. The device runs on a near stock Android, which means no bloatware and a fluidic experience. So to the next thing, the cameras. The Z2 Force sports dual 12-megapixel rear cameras, one with a monochrome sensor and other with the RGB sensor. The pictures from the smartphone in broader daylight is pretty good, but in low light, the noise craps up. The camera on the smartphone is definitely not the best, especially when compared to other smartphones in the same price range. Even the portrait mode struggles to add the bokeh. But do note, the monochrome shots are good and the stabilization of the video is great. Coming to the front, the 5-megapixel front-facing camera is quite good for selfies in daylight conditions, and the front flash comes handy during night times for reasonably good selfies. Now to the storage, RAM management and battery life. Out of 64GB of storage, you'll get to use approximately around 50GB. Out of 6GB of RAM, you'll get around 4GB to use. And coming to the battery life, the 2730 mAh battery doesn't last long, but thanks to the included battery pack Moto mod with the huge 3490 mAh battery, this shouldn't be an issue. It will make the phone bulky though. So what's the downside of the smartphone? Firstly, apart from all the high-end specs, the display of the smartphone doesn't cut to amazing and is also prone to scratches. Secondly, the battery life of the smartphone without the mod is a big letdown. So we are at the end of the video. What's the conclusion? The Moto Z2 Force is a high-end smartphone with a steal price of $34,999. Well, if you can put up a tempered glass to the display to resist scratches and can handle the hassle of taking the mod with you wherever you go, this smartphone is for you. Either way, what do you guys think about this device? Are you getting one, or if you want to ask or clarify anything, let me know in the comment section below, and for more tech related news and coverage, check out our website card above. And don't forget to follow us on other social media sites. Our username goes with TechDipper. Links in the description. So yeah, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. This has been Atish from TechDipper signing off. Thanks for watching.